Hello friends, welcome again. Now we'll talk about description and classification of consonants according to the place of articulation. As we have learnt in the earlier lecture that first term of a consonant is decided by the position of vocal cords. If vocal cords vibrate, the sounds produced are voiced, and if they do not vibrate, sounds produced are voiceless. The second term level depends on the place of articulation. Place of articulation means at which point in the vocal tract a particular sound is produced. The point at which a particular sound is produced, that's called place of articulation, and the second term level is given according to the place of articulation. Let us try to understand all the places of articulation in the vocal tract. First of all, let us see a particular sound is produced with the help of two lips. Say for instance, we produce a sound p with the help of two lips. We produce a sound p with the help of two lips. We produce a sound with the help of two lips, and we also produce a sound with the help of two lips. So these four sounds are produced with the help of two lips. If a particular sound is produced with the help of two lips, it is called bilabial sound. Bi means two, labial means lips. So sound produced with the help of two lips. If two articulators are the lips, the sound produced is called bilabial. Similarly, if the sound is produced with the help of lower lip and upper teeth, lower lip and upper teeth. See for instance, this is a sound produced with the help of lower lip and upper teeth. Similarly, these are the two sounds produced with the help of lower lip and upper teeth. In first, vocal cords do not vibrate. In second, vocal cords vibrate. So, the first sound is called voiceless labiodental. Dent means teeth. So, labio means lip. So, produced with the help of lip and teeth is called labiodental. As in the first sound, vocal cords do not vibrate, it is called voiceless labiodental, and in the second, vocal cords vibrate, therefore it is called voiced labiodental. So far we have seen sounds produced with the help of two lips are bilabial, sounds produced with the help of upper teeth and lower lip are called labiodental. Now let us see the third position where a particular sound is produced. Some sounds in English are produced with the help of tongue and the teeth, upper teeth in fact. The sounds produced with the help of tongue and the upper teeth are called dental, because teeth, another word for teeth is dent. Therefore they are called dental. See, this is a sound produced with the help of tongue and upper teeth. Therefore we call it dental. In one case, vocal cords do not vibrate, in other vocal cords vibrate. So the pair becomes voiceless dental and voiced dental. See the example. We can say the initial sound in the word thank you, an initial sound in the word them or that. So these are the sounds which are dental. After dental, we have a small harder surface after our teeth, and which is called teeth ridge. It is also called alveolar ridge in English. Therefore, sound produced with the help of tongue, the front part of the tongue, and the teeth ridge are called alveolar sounds. Alveolar sounds. There are plenty of alveolar sounds in English. We just have to understand the mechanism by means of which alveolar sounds are produced. The sounds produced at alveolar ridge are called alveolar sound. Say for example, t, t, d, t, d, l, s, z. These are alveolar sounds. In the first case, t, vocal cords do not vibrate. In the second, vocal cords vibrate. So voiceless and voiced vocal cords cords vibrate. L, vocal cords vibrate. S, vocal cords do not vibrate. Z, vocal cords vibrate. As vocal cords do not vibrate in S, it is called voiceless. And as vocal cords vibrate in Z, it is called voiced. So, this is about the alveolar sounds. How many alveolar sounds are there in English? There are 6 alveolar sounds in English. T, d, n, l, s, z. These are the alveolar sounds, out of which t and s are voiceless. Rest of the 4 are voiced. Now, there are a few sounds which are produced just after the alveolar ridge. Sounds produced just after the alveolar ridge with the help of tongue and the post-alveolar part. Now, as they are produced at the post-alveolar part with the help of alveolar ridge, these are called post-alveolar sounds. These are called post-alveolar sounds. Post means after. So, after alveolar ridge, sounds produced at the place after alveolar ridge are called post-alveolar sounds. Say for instance, ch and j, ch, j. These are the post-alveolar sounds in English. After that, we have a few sounds in English which are called palato-alveolar. Palato-alveolar. Now, palate is a hard, bony, convex structure in our mouth. I mean, it's the roof of the mouth which is hard. Our palate actually is divided into 2 parts, soft palate and hard palate. The sounds produced at the hard palate are called palatal sounds, as you know that. And the sounds produced at palate and alveolar ridge. The tongue actually comes in contact with palate as well as alveolar ridge during the production of certain sounds. These sounds are called palato-alveolar sounds. For example, sh, j, j. These are the palato-alveolar sounds. Sh is voiceless, j is voiced. Voiceless, voiced. Okay. Then there is palatal. Palatal sounds produced at the palate with the help of tongue are called palatal sounds. E is a palatal sound in English. For example, initial sound in the word yes, that E is a palatal sound. Then we have velar sounds. Sounds produced at soft palate are called velar sounds. Why? Because soft palate is also called velum, and sounds produced at velum are called velar sounds. These sounds are generally produced with the help of back part of the tongue and the soft palate. That means back part of the tongue is raised to articulate with the soft palate, and such sounds are called velar sounds. For example, k is a velar sound in English. G is a velar sound in English. K is voiceless. G is voiced. Similarly, is also a velar sound in English, but it is velar nasal. Okay. And there is one more sound that we need to understand, which is not produced in the oral cavity, which actually is produced at the glottis, vocal cords. It's produced at the vocal cords, therefore it is called glottal sound. And the glottal sound in English is this sound is produced at the glottis. Glottis is the gap between vocal cords. As it is produced at the glottis, it is called glottal sound. So what we have seen is description and classification of consonants according to their place of articulation. According to their place of articulation, English sounds are classified into bilabial, labiodental, dental, alveolar, post-alveolar, palato-alveolar, palatal, velar and glottal. We classify them into 9 different types. Hope you have understood the description and classification of consonants according to their place of articulation. Thank you.